In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create and use different field types so your team can track the details that matter most to your workflow. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace and heading to the list you want to customize. I'm working in a list called Project for Team inside my workspace. Once the list is open, look to the top of your columns and open the area where you manage fields. From there, choose the option to create a new field. Let's build our first field as a drop-down. Select drop-down from the field types. Click into the field name and give it a clear, descriptive title so teammates instantly know what it's for. Short and consistent names work best. When you're ready, click Create to add it to your list. You can always edit options and colors later, so don't worry about getting everything perfect right now. Next, let's add an AI-powered field that summarizes each task's content with a customizable output. Open the Add Field area again and choose the option that says Summarize the content of each task with a customizable output. Click the field name, enter a label that fits how your team will use the summary, and click Create. This pulls context from the task to generate a concise summary, which is great for status reviews. Availability can depend on your plan, so you may see slightly different options. We'll add another field called Progress Updates. Open the field menu again, select Progress Updates, name it in the field name box, and click Create. This is handy for quick notes on what changed since the last check-in or sprint. Now, let's add a manual progress indicator. Open the field menu again, choose Progress Manual, give it a clear name, and click Create. This field gives you a simple progress bar you can set on each task. To set an initial value, click the new manual progress cell in any task row to open its control. Choose the starting value, let's say 0, to show it hasn't begun yet. Click away to save the change. You can update this anytime as work moves forward. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Use consistent naming so fields are intuitive. Keep the most important fields to the left by dragging columns, and make sure you have the right permissions to create and edit fields at the list level. Custom fields created here stay with this list, so they won't clutter other projects unless you add them there too. That's it. Your custom fields are live and ready to streamline your ClickUp workflows.